How to change country in Amazon app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can change country in Amazon app. So then to begin with, update your application and after that log in into your Amazon app. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. Once you're on this page, it's gonna look like this. So over here, click on the tab bar icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page, and right on this page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, and now it's going to direct you to the profile page. Right on top in the upper left corner, you'll be able to see your current location, so click on it, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to make changes with your country or the region. Now go ahead and tap on the country wherever you like and select the language accordingly. And you can also change your currency type and click on the done button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be logged out and once again log in into your account, and that is how you can change your country in Amazon app. Amazon is constantly updating the features, so if you're unable to find this option, what you can do is you can simply long press on your Amazon app. After that, go to your app info page, and over here make sure to go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache as well as clear storage, and you'll be logged out of your account. After that, once you're logged into your account, you can first of all select the country accordingly, and then you can just log in into your account. So that is how you can change country in Amazon app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.